Welcome everyone. Today on Stacy's Country Cooking. I'm going to be making a dessert that my mom used to make us when I was a kid. She called them Georgia cracker bars, and they're really delicious. I hope you all like this. First of all, you start off with lining a 9 by 13 pan with graham crackers like this. Okay, in your saucepan, you want to add 1.5 cups of melted butter. Into that, you want to add a cup of brown sugar. And I've got a 1/2 cup of evaporated milk. I'm going to add 1 egg to it and beat it. I love to cook with evaporated milk. It makes stuff taste really good, rich and creamy. And then I'll pour this into the kettle. I'll bring this to a boil and let it boil for about 2 minutes. Okay, now after the 2 minutes, I have been letting this cook on medium heat so the egg won't scramble inside of it. It takes a little while for it to get to boiling stage. Okay, and then you turn it off. I'm going to add in a cup of pecans, a cup of sweetened coconut. We'll stir this up. I got a tablespoon of vanilla. Okay, now to this I have crushed 1 package of graham crackers. So I've got 1 package of graham cracker crumbs here. I just crushed them in the package that they come in. You could use a food processor if you would like to, but I kind of like mine a little chunky. Now it's ready to pour over our graham crackers. Okay, our graham crackers are ready, so I'm going to pour this over top. It's almost like a German chocolate icing that you put on German chocolate cake, but you add the graham cracker crumbs to it. Then you spread it out. Now you take another layer of graham crackers and lay them on top and kind of mash them down even. Okay, now we're going to make an icing to go on top. Okay, for the frosting or icing, whatever you want to call it, I have 2 cups of powdered sugar. I have a half a stick of butter and 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk that I heated up in the microwave. I'm just going to add a little at a time. Teaspoon of vanilla. Now, if I think it's too thick, I'm going to add a little bit more evaporated milk to it so it'll have a good spreading consistency. Spread really good. Okay. Okay, you let this cool completely and then you cut into rectangles. I'll show you what that looks like when it gets done. Okay, this is what my Georgia cracker bars look like when they got done. You let them cool completely and then cut them in little squares or rectangles, however you would like to serve them. This is perfect for like finger foods or appetizers, for New Year's or game day, anytime like that. Hope y'all give it a try. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great day.